So last November 2022, we conducted successfully the Module 1 of our CLUP at Elhem Hotel, Zamboanga City. And today, allow me to welcome you for the Module 2 and 3 to enhance our knowledge and skill in CLUP in this province of Basilan.
We are delighted because your mere presence and participation here is a clear manifestation of your desire to come up with your respected CLUP in your respective areas or municipalities. Pag may CLUP ka na, hindi naman madali yung ibang plans, but it's no longer a burdensome. Again, napaka-importante po ng CLUP sa municipality because it protects our valuable competence. So ganun po kahalaga yung CLUP. We will do our best. Hindi to train you, maybe to guide you. Kasi at the end of the day, it's not the MHC who really formulate the plan, it's you.
My profound gratitude to the LHSD for inviting me with the MILT to this very important activity, which is aimed at providing technical assistance to the LGUs in the formulations of their comprehensive land use plan. We are really grateful to our government, to the LHSD for spearheading this activity. Alhamdulillah, we have ministers like Attorney Natin Chisinalimo and Attorney Hamid Amadou Para of LHSD who are really committed to the legacy of good governance. Actually, this training, this is parang a request granted. I've been asking na sana pabigyan ng training lahat ng LGUs dito sa Basilan. And this is it, nandito na to. May katuparan na, alhamdulillah. And mas lalo ko naging masaya when Sir Sid informed me that all LGUs are participating in this activity, meaning no one will be left behind.
Marami po talaga akong natutunan dito sa CLUP training or workshop na to. Natutunan ko po siya na yung CLUP na to is isa siyang instrument ng local government unit to allocate available land resources to different sectors of the municipality.
So attending to this 5-day workshop, it makes our role clearer po and our objective within the municipality. Mas nagkaroon kami ng ideas and other things na kung ano yung isusulat namin and saan kami magpo-focus in terms of our comprehensive land use plan. Ano yung objectives? To focus on data gathering, especially the latest one, and then where to focus our plans, the development within the municipality. Ano ba talaga yung need and need din masolusyonan, the right interventions.
Yung essence po ng training na ito on GIS, it's very important po, especially doon sa pag-update natin ng CLUP, wherein part ng CLUP, kailangan natin yung mapping. So through this GIS training, so magagawa natin yung mapping. And very important yung maps, especially on the identification ng mga projects natin po.
For our part naman po, as the planner or the technical working group, we should ensure the completeness of our data and of course yung specific information like per barangay kasi medyo nakulangan kami dun. And I think the cooperation, we also need that within our municipality.
Aming facilitator, especially to the Ministry of Human Settlement and Development, continue yung pagiging patient nila, especially yung sa pagtuturo. Whenever na may ibang discovery sila, so exploration po ng apps na ito, yung GIS, ay may share din nila sa amin. In the future po, sa training, ulit na training namin sa GIS, hopefully na at least madaragdagan yung facilitator na at least matutukan talaga yung trainee na especially yung medyo nabibehind po sa IT, nahihirapan po yung iba.
Yung nakikita kong problema dito sa mapping session, no, every module is yung data. Lahat ng mga LGU, kulang-kulang yung data. Kaya hindi kami makaproceed sa next step para sa mapping. Karamihan kasi sa module na ito, bago yung mga mapper ng LGU. So, yung iba nakaproceed sa next step. Yung iba, tinignan namin, nag-hands-on training kami para malaman nila kung ano yung mga gagawin nila. Ang recommendation namin, sana yung ipapadala ng LGU, yung from module 1 hanggang matapos yung module, same person, para continuous yung work nila.
And I'm very thankful po sa nag-facilitate po sa amin for this particular training on DJIS. Maraming salamat po sa MHSD BARM po.
From the Municipality of Haji Muhammad Ajur, we would like to thank the Ministry of Human Settlement and Development for initiating this event.
In behalf of Tituburan Municipality, we would like to give our pleasant gratitude to the MHSD BARM for initiating this training workshop.
What I'm trying to emphasize is that we need to invest on CLUP kasi nandoon na lahat ng kailangan natin. When you have this CLUP, lahat ng basic na documents, lahat ng plans na ipapagawa sa inyo ay madali nyo na lang din gawin. Kasi nandoon na lahat yung mga data na kailangan ninyo. Hindi nyo kailangan kayong may stress kasi nandoon na lahat. Ito lang yung one-time investment itong ating CLUP. That's why ito yung pinaka-difficult na gawin. Pasalamat pa rin kami at kahit papaano ay nag-commit kayo to participate in this activity. This is not for us, para talaga ito sa inyo, para sa inyong LGU. Paano natin mapaganda ang inyong LGU? Hindi ito para lang sa SGLG. Nagpapasalamat pa rin kami sa inyo, at least kahit yung mga staff lang ng planning, yung mga technical staff lang, may mga MPDC rin tayo dito that committed. And at least ngayon, nalaman namin na meron na palang nang-approve din na CLUP sa Basilan, meron na rin mga nakapending na for SP approval. So alhamdulillah for that. So ito, ipagmalaki natin ang province of Basilan because we really wanted to promote the Basilan. So kami nga gusto namin i-promote ang Basilan. Sana kayo din in turn, sana ma-promote din natin yung Basilan. Yun lang yung gusto namin kasi para ito sa ating lahat and para na rin sa ating mga kababayan dito sa Basilan.